Good morning. How are you? Are you okay? If you are okay, let's begin our lesson. Now, take your notebooks and books, please. Open your notebooks and write down today's day and the date, please. Today's day and the date, please. What day is it today? What date is it today? Write down on your copybooks, please. If you are okay, let's begin our lesson. Are you with me? Are you with me? Now the theme of our lesson, different ways of living. Is it clear to you? Different ways of living. Now open your books, page number 95. The theme of our lesson is different ways of living. Modal objects, vocabulary, reading, use of English, listening, speaking, writing, clear citizenship, then you will work with progress check. It is clear to you. We work with vocabulary, people around the world, stages of life, physical characteristics, character, families, phrasal verbs, break, word formation, ing, ed, participles, prepositions. Reading an article about the Hadza, an article about downs shifting. We use English wishes, predetermines, determines, it is a grammar, listening dialogue, radio interview, speaking, we talk about pros and cons, we debate, in writing form, in article, a paragraph about, an opinion essay, clear globalization, culture bridge, ethnicity. Now let's begin our lesson. The theme of our lesson is different ways of living, people around the world. Тақырып түсінікті ғой балалар, иә? Бізді қоршаған әлемдегі адамдар туралы. Complete description. I think you know these words. I think that you know these words, yeah? Happy, rosy, dark, friendly. If you know these words, fill in. If you have unknown words, you must work with dictionary, please. I think that you know these words, please. Now, write on your copybooks. Write on your copybooks and send me to the WhatsApp or classroom. I'll ask you question. Now look at the pictures. And answer my questions, please. Так, what will be about the model? What you think that our model will be about? What do you think the model will be about? In my question, you answer in orally or in written form. What do you think that the Model 8 will be about? What do you think that the Model 8 will be about? You may answer this question in orally or in written form. Exercise 1 you did. Exercise number 2. Now listen specific information, please. Listen specific information, please. Then listen and match descriptions A to C to the pictures 1, 2, 3. Is it clear to you? Так, тыңдаймыз.
I'm Odval, and I'm from Mongolia, a country between Russia and China. I often wear a scarf over my dark hair, and I have rosy cheeks from the cold. Mongolia is very cold, but Mongolians are warm, friendly people. We are always happy to have guests. Why don't you visit us in Mongolia?
Second text, please.
I'm Koyati, and I'm from the Maasai, a nomadic tribe in Eastern Africa. Our clothes are very colorful, and we like to wear bracelets and necklaces. As a people, we are tall and slim. We are also hardworking and polite.
Third.
Hi, my name's Puilitan. My people, the Atayal, live in villages in the mountains of northern Taiwan. Our name means true people. We have pale skin. Our men are great hunters, and our women are excellent weavers. In the old days, the Atayal people wore facial tattoos. We are brave and courageous people. We are also peaceful and don't like fighting.
Тыңдадық мәтінді. Мұндағы суреттер қайсы мәтін туралы екенін жазамыз. Мысалы үшін 1A немесе B деп 2A, B бұны о тапсырма түсінікті, балалар. Оны дәптерге жазамыз. Жазған тапсырмалардың барлығын WhatsApp арқылы немесе Classroom-ге жүктеп отырасыңдар. Егер де тапсырмаларды орындамасаңдар, онда сендер сабаққа қатыспаған болып есептелесіңдер, балалар. Соны есімізде сақтаймыз. Next task is exercise number 3. Exercise number 3. Find the words in the text that describe appearance, character. Біз мына мәтіннен appearance сыртқы келбеті, character, мінез құлқы туралы жазамыз, балалар. Exercise number 3. Find the words in the texts and describe appearances and the character in their notebooks, and then give them. I'll give you time, please. Read the text, please, once more, and write down words, please. Appearances and for character. Next task is 3B. Use these words to describe appearance and the characters, the people in the photos. 3B is to practice new vocabulary by describing people. Yes. Next task. Words of wisdom. Listen.
I think that this means that you don't have to have a lot of possessions and wealth to be happy. I think that if you make the most of what you have, then you can be very happy indeed.
Next task is quotation, please. Today's our quotation. Now listen. The happiest people don't have the best of everything. They just make the best of everything. You'll understand this quotation. You must learn it by heart and translate. Так, мұндағы мақалды нақыл сөздің мағынасын табамыз, балалар. Жаттаймыз. Мағынасын табамыз және жаттаймыз. Оны 1-2-3 сөйлем арқылы білдірулеріңе болады. Мысалы, мұндағы сияқты.
I think that this means that you don't have to have a lot of possessions and wealth to be happy. I think that if you make the most of what you have, then you can be very happy indeed.
Сонымен, балалар, бүгінгі жаттығуларды орындаймыз. Мұндағы жаттығуларды wisdom, exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 жаттығуды орындаймыз. 4 жаттығуды барлығын дәптерлерінде болатын болсын. Жазған тапсырмаларымды маған WhatsApp арқылы немесе классрумге жіберіп отырамыз. Сонымен, what have you learned? What have you learned today's lesson? What's news for you? Не үйрендік? Саған қандай жаңалық таптың бүгінгі сабақтан? Осы сұрақтарды ауызша жауап берулеріңе болады, немесе WhatsApp арқылы, немесе дәптерлеріңе жазып көрсетулеріңе болады. The lesson is over. Goodbye.